Okay, thank you very much. I wanted to do this unboxing from a prize that I won from Mindless Crafting at midnight. If you haven't been to the Mindless Crafting channel on YouTube, I really recommend that you check it out. That we have a lot of fun. They do live videos every Thursday at noon Eastern time, and they do tutorials, and we just all have a lot of fun in there, and it feels like a great community to belong to. I want to thank Tracy and Bill for everything that they put out for us, the hard work that they do with their store and with supporting other people who are creative, and even those who don't feel like they're creative, they make it they make crafting fun. So it's really a wonderful community that they have there, and um, everybody's so very nice and supportive. All right, so let's get down to business. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this wonderful prize that I received. And believe me, it's taken everything I can to not rip this thing open ahead of time. But I wanted to make sure that I could film it. Here's one of this is their personal thank you sticker. I've ordered from their store before, and they put it in every package. It kind of makes it feel a little bit more personable. Okay, I'm so excited. What's in here? Oh, it's wrapped really nice with this red tissue paper. Hope I'm in frame here. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at these. Some flowers, which I could definitely use in a craft. That's my cat. He thinks he wants outside. Here's another really pretty paper flower. And there's a heart back here. Let's see if I can open it up so you can see the heart too. Oh, and a butterfly is in here too. So oh, these are pretty. I love these. There's a butterfly with some pearls and two hearts. Two. These are so pretty. I'm going to put them aside for right now so I can put them back in the package another time. Ooh, some Valentine's hearts, more hearts, and some lips, smacky lips. Kiss, kiss. And then we have these, oh goodness, these are wooden, very cute. I could definitely use them on something. My mind is making up some good ideas already. Oh, here's some beautiful envelopes with Christmas trees and a Christmas, like a card. So pretty. Slimline, love it. And let's see. Okay, here's some cardboard shapes cut from packaging, and that's great. I love how Tracy upcycles things and uses obscure things in her crafting. But I'm not going to take them out of the package, but there's just some small cardboard scraps that, shapes that were cut out. And you could put pattern paper on these, Mod Podge napkins on them, whatever you like. Here's some Christmas decorations, little candy pieces and ornaments, and some Mylar Merry Christmas like confetti. So cute. And some bows. And oh, look at these. Oh, look at little tiny little guys to glue on envelopes. There's a bee right here, a flower, some wooden flowers in here, a snowflake. So pretty. I love them. I love them. Super awesome. So many things to do. Then we have some of these. You can put these on the front of a card or in a scrapbook layout. And here's some more paper die cuts of flowers. And I think there's some butterflies in here too. I'm not going to open up every single one of them. Oh, I love these. Cross stickers are so pretty. Yeah. And here's some rub-ons. Oh, wait. Oh, no, these are puffy stickers of butterflies. Very pretty. All right. And I love doilies. And here's a heart-shaped doily. So pretty. And is it better like that? Don't want that to get wrinkled. Here is some more Valentine's, a tag set, and some cutouts, scalloped heart, a couple tags, a cupid. Ooh, look at these. These can go on the outside and inside of the cards. So cute. That's really cute. You could decorate it any way you want. You could probably take like maybe some watercolors or spray and make it look like a tie-dye t-shirt. And some globes. Some bubbles. More seahorse. And then bubbles could go on top of the seahorse like that. And then a shell. I shall be using that. Some more stamped images. Oh, look at the birdie. I love birdies. Here's a fish. A heart with a bunch of flowers. That would be a nice thing to color. And these are going to be nice to color in too. Oh, tulips. That's really nice. Printed on, they were printed or stamped on some pattern paper. Here's another t-shirt. More tulips, another t-shirt. And then we have these, okay, they're like a little place setting card. But you could still use that on the front of a card or ATC or something like that. Here's a dragonfly. Oh, I don't want that to get bent. I'm going to put that up here. And, oh, here's some like leaves, branches, die cut. And what are these? They look like maybe some black windows. Cut die. Ooh, that would be nice. Yeah, they're like a window. That's not gonna be good. They're like a window die cut. That'd be really nice, especially if you were making like a Halloween themed something, like a scrapbook page or a there's several of them in here. That'll be pretty cool. And then we have some patterned paper pieces. And they're very pretty. Let's see what we got here. That's got a pretty nice gold. And I got this one. Another gold one. This one, oops, looks like a Christmas theme. And all with a very pretty gold foil in there. It's really nice. Some wreaths. And another one like that. Okay. And then we have some other, doesn't look like it's a holiday theme, but they're more pieces of pattern paper. And, oh, I like that. It looks like kind of a nice, you could use that for like a summer swimming or beach theme. Really nice color blues. And, oh, I like that one too with the stars. And I don't know if I think this is called a houndstooth pattern. It would be nice for some retro pages or some guy cards, you know. All of these would be nice for some guy cards. Oh, geez, look at that. It's so pretty. I love that plaid. And then this kind with the words, got like words. And that's just the blue one. And then this is pretty cool. Some retro sports. I like sports. Another good idea for a guy themed card. And then I got some washi. I love a washi, and I love anything that sparkles. So that's right up my alley. And then we have some more scraps. They're black and white pieces of paper, all different sizes, but I could definitely, they're cardstock. I could definitely come up with something for sure. These little tiny scraps, I know that some people think it's a waste to save them, but you could still make a lot of good things. Like I use them for artist trading cards. I've seen people do some woven images, like woven pieces of the cardstock, and then they make it as a background. Here's a felt heart. Very heartfelt for me to have a felt heart. And let's see. Oh, jeepers, look at all these little guys. Little like charms and stuff. And you know what? This would be good for a dangle, or I also used I could use them on, oh, there's some crosses in here. Looks like a turtle. I could use these on the paper, embellished paper clips too as a dangle. There's a key. Oh, they're so heavy too. Let's see, what else do we got here? We have some more paper scraps. Super duper. Stuff that I never had. You know, I don't have these pattern papers. So that's good. It's also, yeah, it's a good way to kind of experiment with different designs. Maybe you saw a paper pad and it just didn't have all the right papers that you wanted. You can definitely use them. Here's some like a journaling cards or something. You can use them as a sentiment on the outside of a card or inside of a card, or just any way to decorate something. Here's some more. Oh, that's not gonna work here. Put it right here. Oh, and the other side is this heart. Some more paper scraps. This looks like the outside of a paper pad album, like a paper pad, and you could definitely use that for crafting for sure. Here's some Christmas themed paper. I love snowflakes, and I love green too, so that's awesome. Woo, polka dots. Look at those. Those are pretty glass ornaments. Um, there's a darker one. And then stripes. I always love stripes. Whoa! And then pine cones and some little pine, not branches, but just kind of like twigs. Excuse me. And then here's some. Oh, this is really cool. Someone colored that. That's beautiful. You can definitely use these for something too. Can use them for a background. Can do all sorts of things with them. Cut the Santa out and put them like on the front of a card or something like that. And then we have some more stamped images. Bon Voyage Digi-stamp set. And then some, here's a piece of cardstock, a pattern piece of paper. Oh, look at here, look at here. We have some fall themed, fairly pretty. Oh, this has got like an embossed, like around the leaves, it's been embossed. It's very pretty. That's definitely, that would make a nice man card. And Halloween images. More Halloween. Oh, look at, here's some Halloween pieces. Like you could cut them up and use them on something for like an ETC again. Oh boy, there's still so much in here. So awesome. Let's see. Candy corns. And here are more pattern paper pieces in the Halloween theme. Lots of Halloween stuff. I guess I better get making some Halloween cards this year, huh? And let's see. Whoops. Oh, look, little witches. She looks like Bewitched. Oh, it is Bewitched. Oh, kitty cats. Really awesome. Awesome stuff. And then we have, come here, you. Oh, look, it's a truck full of a cornucopia of beautiful, looks like leaves and different things. Butterfly maybe in there, flowers. That's cute. And then this glitter paper made of gold. And what is this? This is like, oh, it's a transfer. So you can cut something out and iron this onto a bag or a t-shirt or something like that. So this is a special glitter transfer. Awesome. Well, I just want to say thank you again, Tracy and Bill. What a great box of goodies. I really feel blessed. I'm so happy I won, and I just want to invite anybody who's watching who hasn't already watched to go to Tracy and Bill's community and just try it one time. Just try one live. Even if you're not there during the live, you can always play them back on YouTube at any time. And we have a lot of fun, and they're very encouraging. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.